Hi there, my name is Rebecca Sines. I am a senior at Brigham Young University, Idaho, majoring in public health with an emphasis in health, education, and promotion. I currently live in Las Vegas, Nevada with my sweet husband and my family. A few fun facts about me are that I am currently pregnant with my first baby. It's a girl and she is due in February. The second is that I love to watch Netflix. I'm a huge Netflix binger. I love a good show and a nice bowl of popcorn to go with it. Today, I'd like to focus this podcast on a topic that's closer to my heart and mind right now more than ever, which is maternal health during pregnancy, during and after pregnancy. I know that maternal health is so important and that it's important to maintain your optimal health during pregnancy because it not only affects your body and your soul, but also that of your child, of your unborn baby. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics recommends a few different components to maintain health during pregnancy, some of which include appropriate weight gain and eating a balanced diet and exercising regularly, and also focusing on quality, taking in quality vitamins and mineral supplements. Along with this, there's also more that goes on with your body during pregnancy, such as mental aspects. And it's important to focus on all of the aspects as they play a part one with another. Now, all of these concepts are very important and necessary for our overall well-being. And now it's interesting because there's a lot of old wives' tales and myths that go along with pregnancy and maternal health that sometimes can mislead women into believing things that perhaps aren't completely factual. One example of an old wives' tale that runs in my husband's family is that um, moms should drink bone marrow to be strong during pregnancy so that they can give off good nutrition to their babies. And this comes from my husband's Nicaraguan family. He's from Central America, and his grandma is a midwife. And they also have other little traditions, and they believe in not using medicine. They take a holistic approach. Another Nicaraguan tradition or old wives' tale that I found on the internet was a story about a lady who was out to dinner with her husband, and her husband started eating the limes off the table. I think he dipped it in a little bowl of salt and threw the lime in his mouth, and his wife didn't think anything of it. But her brother-in-law was there and said, "Wow, I think you're pregnant," without knowing that she already was pregnant at the time. And she got really nervous and red in the face that he knew she was pregnant and didn't know how, and it just happened to be a coincidence, but there's somehow a correlation or belief that through eating this lime that somebody had to have been pregnant. So obviously the second example doesn't really relate to nutrition during pregnancy, but it just points a picture of the ideas that others have in different parts of the world and some of the belief systems that relate to pregnancy. There definitely is value in having solid information and support during pregnancy. As women, it's easy to focus our energy on the well-being of others. As it's great to nurture others, sometimes it's important to think of ourselves and assure that we are strong enough to do so. There is a study that says that 1 in 7 women will have bouts of depression during and after pregnancy. And with an understanding of between good habits and eating healthy choices and our mental well-being and how they correlate, we as soon-to-be moms will be able to prepare a little better for what is to come. The good news is there's so many good resources out there that can help us make better goals. There are guidelines and educational tools and support groups and local initiatives that can help soon-to-be moms in their efforts of becoming healthy. Now is the time to prepare and make positive changes. You can visit my blog, The Healthy Mom Initiative of San Juan County, Utah, for more information, resources, and tools to help you become your best self. Thanks so much for listening. Goodbye.